What's up, guys? It's another day in the books, and we are ready for our daily recap. Let's take a look at what happened in the market today. We had a pretty weird day in the market. When the market opens today, it jumped pretty high, but then it just started to dip throughout the day and just keeps dipping and dipping and dipping. We ended up in pretty red today, so it was I guess a classic bull trap, meaning you think that it was gonna go up, so you started buying in, but then as soon as you buy in, it started to drop continuously throughout the day. So as you can see from this chart, that it's going down and it's staying in within this downward channel. So as you can imagine, if you held on to your positions, you might be in trouble. So this is a good video to explain my thinking process and what I did today. Now, if you remember, I saw the Microsoft 10-day expiration puts for $224 premium. So what did I do today? I closed it at $52. So Microsoft, throughout the whole day, it was going up in the beginning of the day. Let's see. Market opens, pre-market it was up, and then it rips all the way up to 214, and then it just drops like this huge candle right here. I think I got out like somewhere over here or over here, I forgot. But as soon as I see this, I got out right away. And then throughout the day, Microsoft just keeps going down and down and down, following the market, and it just never recovered. So we sort of testing previous low soon. So I made the wise decision to take profit. One of the key things when you're trading is that learn to take profits. If you have a target in mind and things are not going towards that way, then just take a profit, even if it's for smaller profit. So I have $172 profit right there instead of the $200 target that I was going for. Now Microsoft has 10 days to expiration. So recently there's news that TikTok might not be able to sell their business to America before the ban on September 15. So this is within the date of my strike, and I don't want to take that risk of Microsoft getting destroyed if TikTok is not being sold to them or someone else got the deal for TikTok. So there's just too many risks for too little reward. I'm $52 away from my max profit, but I figure I just take my profit right now and be on my way. So that's the rationale behind that. And then for Peloton, if you remember from my previous day's video, I had a game plan coming in. My game plan is to look at the market of Peloton when it opens and then try to get out of it right away. And I was rewarded with the right decision during that time. So without looking hindsight's 2020, because now I know what happened during the earnings, but Peloton just rips up today all the way to $98 at the high, which is extremely high. It's like almost $10 rise in a day. So this is before earnings. They have an earning right after the bell today. So I sold Peloton. I closed my Peloton puts at around $96. So for $32 profit, that's 50% gain on each contract. So in total, that's $64 total profit. Not bad. Peloton obviously did very, very well after market, and it's up like 96.25. So obviously if I held it, I could have closed it at max profit $128, but I'm not willing to take that risk, and I stuck to my plan and I'm happy with it. So you never be mad that you stuck to your plan. If you stuck to your plan and execute it, then you'll be fine. So now let's talk about my remaining positions. I got a Beyond Meat's water expiring tomorrow for $226 puts. And this is obviously going to be worthless tomorrow. So right now Beyond Meat trades at 144, which is amazing. It went up amazing today. So this option will become worthless tomorrow, which is Friday. And I will pocket the full $49 premium. Awesome. Let's look at Fastly. Interesting story. Fastly has been fluctuating up and down all day, and then it sort of broke down, but it didn't break down as hard as other tech stocks. So this is kind of a good news for me, because I saw the cover call for Fastly 83.5. So if by tomorrow market close Fastly rise above 83.5, then my 100 shares will be called away. And then I pocket the $215 premium either way. If Fastly goes above 83.5 and if Fastly goes below 83.5, then this contract becomes worthless. I keep my 100 shares and then I pocket the $215. Either way, I am going to pocket all the, the profit. So it's actually 215. So I'm going to update this. Either way, I'm looking at 200 full profit on this tomorrow. And then I have one more order, which is Rocket. This is a 10-day expiration for Rocket, and Rocket today went pretty flat-ish. It was up quite a bit, but then just dropped like the rest of the market. So still like $1 away from my strike and expire next Friday. And right now I have 52% profit on this. So I am kind of debating whether I should close this out. But I did tell myself that I'll be happy to own Rocket at $22. So I may let this run a little bit and see if it go up a little bit more and then maybe close it. Or I can just leave it open, and if I get called away, I can call it away. I will pocket the full $95 premium. So hopefully by tomorrow, I'll do a recap video of all the profits so far. And hopefully I will, get somewhere close to this number for this week. And as you can see, I have a spreadsheet where I track all my trades. The link to this spreadsheet is in the video description below. It's a live view of my trades as I enter and close trades. You can totally follow along and learn from my trading. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. And also, a lot of you asked me what this software is that I'm using. This is called Trade4, TradeIV.com. You can go there and sign in with your Google account, and you'll be able to use this really nice app to track your trades. You can see things like real-time option sweeps, and you can see like the real-time sales of options by other people on various stocks. So this is very useful information when you trade. I always look at this before I make the trade to make sure that I have big players on my side when I make the trade. So sign up TradeIV.com and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and like my video. See you next time.